You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing German vocabulary names, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more pronunciations. Person who is grumpy in the mornings, from German Morgenmuffel. Morgenmuffel. Now in English, Morgenmuffel. Easy, Morgenmuffel. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.